Congratulations for making it to civil services.
Thank you.
Would you like to introduce us about yourself and your education background?
My name is Harshita Sharma. My education background is that I have did my graduation and post graduation in zoology from Delhi University. This would be my third attempt, and I have appeared in interview recently, and yeah, that's all.
How was your interview and what questions did the board ask you?
Interview was good. The board was quite cordial. They would be making you comfortable, and then they would be asking you the question. There were diversity of the questions, ranging from the foreign policy. The questions from the DAF were greatly covered. The question from my state was covered, which is Punjab, and issues related to Punjab were covered. My optional, that was zoology, was covered quite properly. So these were the questions ranging in the interview.
Did they ask any trickish question or any situation-based question?
There were no tricky question as such, but the questions were more of opinion based. There were questions related to you being posted as a district magistrate, and you have to give the situation. The situation was given, and you have to tell your solutions as per the situation.
What actually motivated you to appear in the civil services?
Civil service is the best career option for an individual. So my urge to serve the society in the positive way was my motivation. Secondly, my parents were my motivation. I always wanted to be a civil servant from my young age, and that's why I did that.
What was the mode of your preparation? Did you take any coaching or was it self-study?
My mode of my preparation was basically my own. I did few classes in Delhi with respect to some specific subjects like economics, because economics was not my major subject. Secondly, I did complete preparation for the mains on my own. Interview mocks I did with few coaching centers.
What was your strategy for prelims and how did you prepare for CSAT especially?
Prelim strategy should be very specific with respect to your subjects. They must be very specific with respect to your content. You must not go excessively behind the content. All right. Your magazines related to current affairs, for example, Vision is a good magazine, so you can be very specific about your current affairs. Then revision is very must. Whatever you are doing, revision must be like nearly 10 times to 20 times when you are preparing. Applying mocks is very important. With respect to CSAT, it varies. If you have a mathematical background, you can go with the normal preparation, revising the concept from your 9th to 10th classes. But if you do not have a mathematical background, you must go for studying the books of 9th standard, 10th standard, 11th and 12th standard if possible. For example, recently in the CSAT there was question on permutation and combinations. So that is the concept you will study in your 11th. So you must have the idea of the dynamics of the CSAT and the prelims, what UPSC wants from you, have a proper analysis and have a preparation according to that. You must have a planner also when you are studying. So prepare a planner and divide your day accordingly and do proper studies, especially when you are very close to prelims.
How do you stay physically and mentally fit and strong?
Okay, so physical and mental fitness is related to sports. I play badminton, I play basketball on a daily basis. So that was my support during my preparation.
What's your take on mental health and UPSC preparation?
Mental health is very, very important. These days people often suffer from depression because there is a lot of competition. So you must be vocal about your problems, especially with your family members. If you are facing any kind of such issues, just talk about it with your parents, your friends, and you have to just do the things.
How was the night before interview and how do you feel now?
I feel very good. Night before interview was also fine. I was confident about it because I did my preparation well, and now I'm feeling relaxed, and that's fine.